Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can hide balances on Smart Wallet app. Hiding your balance on Smart Wallet is super easy. Launch open your Smart Wallet application and make sure that you are inside the main wallet page. If you have revealed your balance, you will be able to see it displayed on the page. If you want to hide your balance, then all you need to do is to tap on the little eye icon at the top right hand corner. This will then represent or show your balances as an asterisk sign, which means it has been hidden from anyone's eyes, including yours. So that is how you keep your wallet balances private by hiding it from your Smart Wallet app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.